Hi everybody, it's Kevin Piqua here from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. Today we have featured a 2017 Ram 2500 Limited. This is the heavy duty 3/4 ton with the Cummins turbo diesel. This is mated with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is featured in pearl white. This is the Laramie Limited with a 6.7 liter Cummins turbo diesel. This is also a 4x4. This has a 342 rear end, GPS navigation. This has remote start. Has the built-in integrated front fog lights. The nicer, brighter lights. Those are This also has the towing type mirrors. You can fold up if you're towing. This also has keyless and go. If you just walk up to the vehicle, grab the handle, it unlocks. Push these little soft buttons with the remote in your pocket or purse, it will unlock. This also has the heated and ventilated front seats. Has the heated second row seating. Also has the heated steering wheel. Power moonroof. Again, the push button ignition. Very nice vehicle, nice little heavy duty vehicle. It's got the little nice 4 consoles on the floor there. You can put some stuff in. Also has the Ram boxes on both sides. Someone's also put a spray and bed liner. This also has the rear backup camera. This also has the center rear backup camera, so you can see the backup camera for the bed box. Has a towing 4-pin and 7-pin. Also, it's got the Class 4 grease hitch, backup sensors. Again, there's the Ram boxes on both sides. This also has a power pedals. You can move the gas pedal and the brake pedal closer to you. Forgot to mention, this also has the chrome bumper group, which is nice. This also has the anti-spin differential, so all both wheels in the back will turn if one starts to spin. Again, this should show you that little center high-mounted light in the back with the camera also in the back. This also has the cab clearance lights. Very, very nice, clean vehicle. Also, I was telling you also, this does have navigation also. This has right around 52,000 miles on it. Bluetooth for the phone also. Of course, it's going to have your power seat, power windows, power locks, fog light controls. Again, this is a real pretty pearl white exterior color. Again, we have a 2017 Ram 2500 Laramie Limited. This has this Cummins 6.7 liter turbo diesel with the automatic transmission. This is a 4-wheel drive. If you have any questions on this beautiful truck, please do not hesitate to give us a call at 1-800-678-4188. If you have any questions on this vehicle or any vehicle you've seen on our lot, please give us a call. Again, my name is Kevin Piqua from the Paul Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram pickup truck in beautiful Piqua, Ohio. As always, thanks for giving us an opportunity and have a beautiful day.